Recovery is a skill, but it's not based solely on goals and achievements and milestones. Recovery is about belonging. Recovery is about finding your people and finally feeling understood by people that get you, people that you don't have to hide from, people that understand your struggles, and people that can empathize with what you've been through. And I really think it does require uh, what some might call like a psychic change, where you actually want help, where you actually want to be honest about who you are and what you need. And you want to let go of your mask and stop pretending that you're strong and that you can do it all by yourself and that you don't need anybody. And yeah, like that you're going to be a success. And you may not even know what success is or what success means. But I think for myself, when I experienced that, what I wanted to be was different than who I was. What I wanted to have or to achieve was to really feel differently than I felt. And I just kept pushing myself to work hard enough to feel better. And what I've realized in recovery is that what I was really seeking is what I've found in recovery. And it's not about financial success. It's about loving myself, accepting myself, taking care of myself, um, living in alignment with my beliefs and my values. Like what I actually was trying to pursue and achieve was recovering my true self, becoming myself. Like I was trying to succeed and race to me, to a version of me that I could love. And I did, but it was through a psychic change, a breakdown that became a breakthrough. And really, it was very painful. It was kind of terrible. And it was a mess, really. It was just a total mess. And that's what led to my recovery. That's what led to my changes. And it's taken a lot of time to recover, to become myself. It's kind of weird how long it's taken just to be myself. But that is what recovery is. And yeah, it's just such a gift of freedom to, I don't know, just to be myself, to not need substances or behaviors or people or titles or anything to make me good enough, to just know that all my needs are met and I know what my gifts and talents are, and I try to share those in some small way every single day. And I don't know, just faith in like the plan for my life. I don't know if this is making any sense. I'm trying to keep my consistent goal of posting a YouTube video every day for 90 days. And today I'm just feeling like it was a busy day and I forgot, but it was a good day. It was a good day. It was a good kind of busy, but it's just important to me to keep this streak going because I've done it before and I started posting and then I've stopped posting. And for whatever reason, as soon as I miss a day, that's it. I don't want to do it anymore. And I don't want that to happen again. And I'm trying to approach this YouTube channel as like a practice of my sobriety. Not something that I'm doing to succeed. The success for me is just in showing up. and consistently showing up, just like I would for anything else that matters. Just show up, and over time, that will hopefully become something, but everything starts with showing up. So, yay me, I showed up. Um, and that is my version of success today, is showing up. So that's it. Not every day is going to be 100%, but got it done. That's what matters. So thanks very much for listening, and hope you have a nice day.